drawing is so cute and it's super easy to follow. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple and fun drawing ideas. I love how simple this drawing is. Anyone can do it. Wow! Isn't it amazing how this drawing comes together step by step? Each step makes this drawing even more adorable. Don't you agree? Look how cute it's turning out already. Great job! Adding all these little details is so much fun, and they make it even more special. This little character is coming to life, isn't it? And remember, if you want, you can always give it another try. It's so rewarding to see how creative this drawing becomes with every step. Let's start coloring and bring this drawing to life. Now we'll add some bright colors. This is the fun part. Feel free to pick any colors you love and make it uniquely yours. Wow! The colors you're using make this look even more adorable. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple and fun drawing ideas. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Every little mark adds to your unique artwork. Look how amazing this looks with all those bright and cheerful colors. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on new adorable drawings. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Your support means so much and helps me create more fun and easy tutorials. Thanks so much for watching.